Hello techies, we are in lab 3 2.3.7 and we're going to connect network devices. So you are a network technician for a small corporate network. The company recently expanded to second floor of its building. You've already installed a small networking closet on the second floor. You run the necessary cables to the port on each of the floor's fiber panels. Now you need to connect the two network using fiber optic cable. In this lab, your task is to connect the switch and the networking closet on fiber 1 with switch and the networking closet 2 on floor 2 through the fiber patch panels and the flowing closet. Use the following: connect appropriate fiber cable to the switches through fiber patch panels. For the patch panel on floor 1, port 3 is transmit and port 4 is receive. For the patch panel on the floor 2, port 1 is transmit, port 2 is receive. Use the color coding on the end of the fiber optic cables to identify which end is TX and which is RX. Verify that the connection was made by checking the internet connection and floor 2 of the computer. This is lab 2.3.7. Let's start lab. Now, if this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so that it won't be too long for you all. Alright, we are now inside the lab and let's look at the first tab. The first task is for the patch panel on floor 1. This is the patch panel on floor 1, and okay, let's see the adapters. See, let's see this. It's gonna go into the ports, and this connect port 3, port 4. Okay, this is gonna go to port 3, and this is gonna go into port 4. Yep, it's going into port 4, port 3 and port 4 here. And let's see, building A, floor 2. Yep, and then let's go into the hardware. Okay, so let's see what we have here. For patch panel on floor 2, port 1 is, let's see, plug this here, and these are the cables. So we attach one cable here and port 1 and 2. So this is going to port 1 and this is going to port 2. Okay, so alright, so this is connected. So let's see what we have. Scroll down and let's go to the back and ping the switch on floor 2 into a bank 1 critical load outlet. Okay, so we'll plug this in here, the power port, and plug this in here, and so plug this into these two and go to the front, and let's see, let's go into this laptop and put the network. This is connected, and if this video was helpful to you in any way, you might want to share in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.